we've had a substantial reduction in workers' comp claims. That has a direct translation into the company's cost. You know, if our workers' comp insurance is less, we have more money that we're able to apply to the bottom line. When it comes review time and salary increase time, that's going to have a positive impact. So let's all work safe. You know, let's work hard, but let's work safe.
We look at the return of investment strictly at this point based on the health insurance. We've got great insurance, so we have a high participation level. For the last 5 years, we've only had, I think, 1 year we've passed along an increase. And we turned around that same year and gave them a premium holiday, which completely neutralized that increase for the entire year. So we offset it that way. But for those 5 years, when you look at our history, we were able to do no increase to our premiums. So the employees had no cost increase, no change in their benefit, and they got premium holidays more than not. There's no guarantees with that, and the employees get that, but they also celebrate when they get those wins because it's real money in their pocket.
We sort of feel like, or at least I feel like, that we're seeing a positive trend in our health insurance. We're not seeing the claims that maybe are not increasing as rapidly as you see some of our other people in the community or other, competitors. I mean, we get reports from our insurance brokers showing how we've done with our wellness program, and compared to similar companies, we're below average on that.
When we look at who's involved in the wellness program and whether or not they've missed work or had a workplace injury, we try to make a connection between those two. Sometimes those connections are hard to make. A lot of our work-related injuries have to do more with somebody slipping and falling on the ice. How can wellness impact that? Their recovery time certainly is going to be less if they're healthy, so we can impact that. On the safety side, then it's just about making sure that maybe that slip and fall can't happen again.
Not all of the initiatives are going to have a direct line of sight to the benefits from a financial standpoint. Many times you have to have a little faith that with time those investments will pay off. When they do, you can look back several years and be glad that you made that investment, but it's not as easy as buying a new piece of equipment that's more efficient, where you have a very direct line of sight to the benefits of it. That's a little more intangible, but the savings are there from a financial standpoint, but more importantly from a human standpoint.
Once I got doing that program, and I started watching my diet, I started watching a little bit, what I was eating, and the weight just came off, and my back and my knees feel so much better. I don't hurt when I'm out walking, doing my job.
Healthier employees are actually having fewer injuries, fewer healthcare claims, and able to stay on the job and produce better.